Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about breakers. Specifically, does a breaker wear out? Stick around and we'll talk about it. So we're just going to take the wire, gently pull down. The cord is pretty much melted together. So there we have our finished end with our... Okay, the question is, does a breaker wear out? And the answer is, of course it does. It gets old just like the rest of us. The biggest thing that you need to understand is that breakers over time will fail for two reasons. One, because the breaker itself, the spring mechanism, will wear out inside and it can't be reset anymore. And that's simply caused by too many resets or too many overloads and inside the little spring mechanism in the breaker itself will just wear out and then it just won't reset. The second reason is condensation, which is the killer. So if you have a damp or wet basement, maybe you should get a dehumidifier in there to resolve that, because what will happen is over time the breaker will rust out and then not want to reset, and I'll show you what I mean. Now, as to when the breaker itself is actually going to wear out, it could be anywhere from a year to 30 years, 50 years. It really depends on how the breaker is treated. Like I said, that condensation is an important issue. Dust getting into them is also another important issue, because that'll get in after a while and gum the springs up, the breaker won't work correctly, or just simply too many resets. And you'll find that after a while, no matter if you do a hard reset or whatever type of reset you do, that the breaker just won't stay on or won't come on, which is a good sign that you need to call your electrician and have the breaker changed. So again, those diligence things are to keep the breakers in a nice room temperature or cool, not moist area, which is preferable. Anyway, that's really all I have to say about breakers and whether they wear out. They do wear out. It is an issue, so be aware of that. If you want to see more on how breakers trip, you can click up here in the corner, the link, or you can come on over to the website where all our videos are organized in a nice searchable fashion. Never forget, don't do your own electrical work. Always consult in your own local licensed electrician. And we'll see you guys next week on the next video. Thanks for watching.